Right now on GitHub, we are seeing a sudden, massive volume of highly specific developer tools breaking the standard chatbot mold. The standard consumer AI experience is frustrating. You open a chat window and the model suffers from complete amnesia. It requires constant human supervision, and it only ever reacts to your specific prompts. But the smartest developers on the planet are moving past chat interfaces. They are building what are called agentic workflows, systems designed to act as autonomous digital employees. Developers who fail to make the transition from typing prompts to managing these autonomous systems are going to be left behind in the next software boom. When you ask an AI to write code, it has a habit of hallucinating complexity. It bloats simple functions with unnecessary abstractions, and it regularly deletes unrelated code it doesn't understand. To fix this, developers are turning to a repository called Andre Karpathy Skills. It acts as an architectural boundary, stripping away the AI's bad habits. It uses a specific configuration file that forces the AI to abide by a strict simplicity-first rule. Any speculative features or bloated abstractions are immediately sliced away, leaving only the minimum required code. It also enforces a surgical changes mandate. The AI is strictly prohibited from altering any adjacent code it doesn't fully grasp. It finds the exact problem and locks into place, leaving the rest of your system untouched. Imposing these rigid boundaries prevents the AI from wandering into speculative code, ensuring every changed line in a pull request can be traced directly back to your request. Even with disciplined code, you still run into session amnesia. The moment you close your laptop, the AI completely forgets your project's history. A new tool called Claude-Mem solves this context vacuum by giving the AI persistent long-term memory. It operates on a 3-layer progressive disclosure workflow. As you code, the system observes your actions, aggressively compresses them into semantic summaries, and files them away in a database. When you start a new session days later, the system automatically retrieves these specific memories and injects them straight back into the AI's context window. Because this progressive disclosure layer filters the data before fetching the full details, it stops the AI from reading the entire codebase every single time. That saves a massive amount of API tokens. Giving your AI persistent memory removes the daily friction of repeating yourself and drastically reduces your cloud computing overhead. Once you have a disciplined AI with a strong memory, you hit the next bottleneck. Relying on a single AI model for a complex decision, like financial forecasting, limits your perspective to a single model's biases. The AI hedge fund repository bypasses this by forcing multiple independent AI agents to collaborate and debate over market data. To guarantee diverse analytical viewpoints, the system assigns these agents the specific personas and trading strategies of legendary human investors. For instance, it spins up a Warren Buffett agent that strictly analyzes companies based on disciplined valuation and fair prices. It then contrasts that conservative perspective with a Cathie Wood agent, programmed to aggressively seek out high-growth innovation and disruption. And it includes a Michael Burry agent, acting as a contrarian failsafe, hunting for deep value and systemic short opportunities. Forcing these specialized AIs to debate each other surfaces specific risks and opportunities a single model would likely miss, without the need for a massive human research team. While these agent architectures handle the logic on the back end, developers are also using their mastery of LLM fundamentals to build tangible front-end tools, like the Pascal org editor. This repository bypasses the heavy, expensive desktop software normally required for architectural design. It renders full 3D building spaces directly in a web browser using standard React components. To build tools of this complexity, developers are turning to a repository called Dive into LLMs. It serves as the roadmap for understanding the logic powering both these 3D web tools and the AI agents we've discussed. The curriculum goes deep into cutting-edge topics, specifically teaching you how to train multimodal models and create agents capable of interacting directly with graphical user interfaces. Understanding the foundational code of large language models, rather than just talking to them, is the highest leverage, most lucrative skill an engineer can possess right now. To unlock true power from artificial intelligence, you need to provide it with discipline, persistent memory, team collaboration, and human direction. We are moving away from developers working as individual coders and moving toward a reality where developers are managers of an autonomous digital workforce. Adopting these agentic workflows today gives you a massive economic advantage over traditional software development methodologies. If you want to test these repositories yourself, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment the word prompt below, and I'll send you the direct links. The future of software belongs entirely to those who control the AI, not those who merely chat with it.